Great, that was a surprise. Now I will explain to you ELO. Welcome again in the Dome. You know, this is a place where we had so many incredible presentations, and it's great that we managed to do that with you here. I mean, first of all, I think you all know our brand really well, and I'm trying to click on the next image, but help me out, please, to go. No. You all know CITROEN really well, and CITROEN has always created incredible interior spaces along its history. But CITROEN has always created incredible lifestyles. I mean, of course, we can think about the 2CV, but also AMI, in the crowded industry that we have today, AMI, we managed to create a new lifestyle. All the studies show us as well that people want their car as a third place to live because they want freedom, but they also want privacy. So the brief of the project was very simple. We wanted to revolutionize the interior in a very small platform. And so we started with a C3, 4 meters, and we actually made a car here that is 4.1 meters long, so very, very compact. And we recreated a completely new interior space that I will explain to you afterwards. But when we started this project, we were very inspired. We've always been inspired by a brand that is called Decathlon, and we have them here today. It's a brand that we love because they innovate not through expensive technology, but with great ideas, and we are very familiar to their values. So from the beginning, we put our designers together. We came up with so many ideas. We learned a lot as well on how they work and their customer values, the way they put their customers really in the center of the project. And so we came up with this concept car. So why is it called ELO? Well, we wanted to make sure that we talk about 3 pillars: rest, play, and work. And ELO is coming from the second letter of those 3 pillars. And it's really important when you make a concept car not to try to do everything, otherwise you end up with a bad production car, but this is what we wanted to express. So it's very much of an interior space. And here I will demonstrate that at the car with the help of my friend Patrick. You've seen the car already moving with the doors opened. But first, I will start with the package because I think it's very important. If you have the freedom of not having a big engine, no hood, then of course you want to push at least the driver forward. And what we did here is that we pushed the driver forward, but we put the driver in the center. Of course, you'll tell me, yes, but if you're in the center, you don't have a good visibility towards the outside. No, because we lower the bedline as much as possible, and we guarantee the visibility that you would have today in a regular position of a C3 Cross. Now, you will discover this later on as well, but we have an incredible user experience that is the continuation of what we're doing on a C3 today. So it's a reflection of a screen on the lower part of the glass in front of the car. Now, it's a 4-seater, but it's a 6-seater as well. And you know, these little seats that we pulled from under the rear seat, it's a very simple technology, something that we use today in our LCV, so nothing fancy. We push it forward. The kids want to drive next to mama or papa when they go to vacation. It's super easy. And in the back, what we wanted to do is to have 3 seats of the size of you could compare it with the width of a C5 Across that we just replaced. 3 adult seats in the back, so the car is a bit wider, but offers this incredible space in between the front and the rear passengers. And that's something really unique. Now, let's go to the 3 pillars that we wanted to demonstrate. And Patrick, help me out again. Thank you. So, the working pillar. And again, think of, I don't know if it works for you guys, but our employees on Monday and on Friday work from home. We have people living in south of France or anywhere in France. Well, you could take this car, go put it anywhere. You have electricity, you have air. I will explain it to you why we have air afterwards. But we have this seat that you can rotate 90 degrees or 180 degrees, of course, for better ingress, egress, but as well to work in that situation. And you see that beautiful image, and you can project yourself in such a situation that is just fantastic. That very simple system of a tablet, tubular, is something that you can plug in every seat in the back as well. Now we can close the doors, Patrick. I'll explain the next pillar, that is play. And here you can totally imagine what we've done with Decathlon. I mean, first of all, we have developed an application together with Decathlon to be able to plan your trip and make sure that you don't forget anything, that you plan every activity that you want to do during the trip or along the trip. And this is something that will give you all the freedom of the world to do everything you want with this car in any environment. And the third pillar is rest. Rest, and I'll show you my favorite part of it. Not that I want to sleep now, but I think it's great. And there as well, we use the very, very clever innovations from our friends at Decathlon. We have these inflatable mattresses in the trunk. We won't do the demonstration here, but basically you remove them from the trunk, you inflate them, just a little bit of air, makes them rigid enough but comfortable enough to place on top of the rear seats. And for two people who love each other very much, you can sleep in the back. And I will show you the next picture that you can totally picture yourself sleeping in the back of this car. Patrick is going to help me afterwards to open the roof. And by the way, we have a front and a rear roof. They're manual because we're Citroën and we don't want everything electric. We believe very much into analog solutions as well. So the rear part of the car, you can open it up. Also there, incredible materials from Decathlon. That's the materials that they use for their tents, for example. That makes it completely dark and completely waterproof. Go ahead, Patrick. And maybe we have someone who can come and lay down in the back of the car to make a perfect demonstration. Here it is. And then if you close the door, in the back, you can imagine yourself sleeping in your car, the little roof opened up. You see the stars, you see one of your favorite movies projected on that little screen that you can roll down, and that's the third pillar that we wanted to demonstrate with this car. Now, let's talk a little bit about exterior design, and I will start with the proportions. First of all, I think what is super important in that what we're always trying to do with our Citroën is that a silhouette has to be unique. A silhouette has to express exactly what I explained in the interior package. And this is why you have, of course, the windshield pushed forward, because the driver is forward. We suggest a lot of room all the way for the second row. And we have a car that is also very much lightweight. See how low the belt line is. We want our cars to be lightweight, not just for the sake of it, but we want the passenger inside to have a great visibility towards the outside. Now, in the front face, you see that this is a new expression of our identity that we have presented with the C3 Cross. The logo becomes even bigger. The headlights take all the room in the front, but as well in the back, and we continued with the Citroën light wings that we still have here. That is great. It's a great solution because they give us a lot of width, and it's aerodynamics very efficient. And then I have my team here that can go through all the great ideas that we have in the interior, in the exterior of this car, but the crash beam is something that I really love. Today, you hit your car, you scratch your bumpers. Why don't we show the material that we actually have in our bumpers? We make a hole in our bumpers and we show that material. That material is very lightweight. It resists very much. It's super cheap. It's recycled and it's recyclable. So very easily you could actually replace that material. And you see that, and again, it's nothing fancy. It's something that we have in our cars. It's something that we use in other products and products at Decathlon as well. So many great stories. We hope that you will love it, of course. The team is there. We can answer to all of your questions. But first of all, I will show you a great movie that my friend Fede has done with the marketing and that will demonstrate the car one more time.